Namaste everyone. I hope that you all are fine, that you have begun a great week or you are spending a nice week. In today's video, I am going to talk to you about the most important date of this year for manifestation, and that is 8th of August. 8 yes. But before I begin the video, let me introduce myself. For people who do not know me, I'm Ruhi Aluwalia, a coach and a therapist. I accompany people to overcome challenges in the domain of health, career, relationship, and finances in a very holistic way. So, what is so important about this date 8/8? On this date, the Sirius star, the sun, and the earth are going to be aligned. They're going to be in one line. So with this alignment, we have the potential, we receive sort of grace from the universe to be able to manifest whatever we want. And when to manifest? Well, you can start manifesting from the 8th of August until the 16th of August. It's a beautiful period to manifest all your desires. If you're looking for healing, if you're looking for financial abundance, or some issues to resolve in relationship or finances, or maybe in all the four sectors of your life, please start doing the techniques that I am going to tell you now. So I'm going to roughly tell you about 6 techniques. I've made notes so that I don't miss on to any point. The first thing is that you have to align your chakras in this period. So chakras are basically the energy centers in our body that contain, let's say, all the data of your life, not from this life but from your previous lives also. So if you have issues of fear, relationship problems, not being able to communicate, or you feel lonely, depressed, everything is related to your chakra. So this is a beautiful period to start aligning your chakra. To do that, I suggest you that you should meditate, but do not do meditation that you find on YouTube of relaxation, but very particular meditations on the chakra. In my meditation classes, I teach people on how to work on the chakras, and we work extensively on the chakras because chakras have to be kept in balance every day. Now, the second point is to go for a tarot guidance. Now, why do you need a tarot guidance? Well, as a tarolog, I can tell you that when I am consulting people, very often I get messages that even I'm very surprised about passing it to the other person. But when the person receives the message and implements in their life, they see miracles. And especially during this period from 8th of August to 16th of August, you are going to get divine information, divine guidance that you can use in your manifestation. So if you want to have that sort of divine guidance, please go for a tarot consultation. Another advantage is that if you're someone who's not very clear about what you want to manifest, so the tarot will help you to have a guidance, to have a clear vision on what to do and what not to do. The third technique is to create goals. You have to be very clear about what is it that you want to achieve. If you are very lost, if you are all over the place, then you may not be able to use the potential of this period. So try and get very, very clear on what is it that you want to manifest. Write those goals on a paper, and then put that paper in a nice clean place. Maybe if you're someone who meditates, you can put it in your meditation altar, or if you pray, so wherever a nice clean place, put that paper there. Then the fourth technique is that you can start with any of the manifestation technique during this period. Do not pick up 10,000 techniques, just pick up one technique and you will see it will work. Why? Because this is a very divine period for anything to flourish. So whatever new project that you may start, new technique that you will start, you will have 100% chances to go till the end. Because sometimes what happens is that we begin with something and we don't end up finishing that particular project or that particular technique. But during this period, if you're going to begin with something, you will be 100% you can have that assurance of going until the end, because the universe is going to support you in that effort. It's like somebody will be pushing your back and you will be moving ahead. So you would not stop, but you will reach your end result. Now, the fifth technique is to chant a mantra. Now, mantras are very, very powerful um, uh, sounds. It's not just any ordinary sound, but not every mantra is for everybody. So one has to be very careful about what mantra suits you, what is a mantra for you. Well, I can give you a very neutral mantra that anybody can do without any negative effects in your life, and which is Om Namah Shivaya. So the Om Namah Shivaya mantra, I'm going to put that in the description box also. It's a very powerful mantra to balance all your 5 elements. It works wonderfully well on your chakras. It gives you that peace, stability, the calmness that you require during this period to manifest all that you want. And this mantra, do chant it for at least 11 days every day, or 21 days. Why? Because then you're going to really invoke the power of the mantra within you, and then you can use this mantra in any other situation that you want, where you want to manifest your desires, because then the mantra will really work for you. But you need to do the chanting for at least 11 or 21 days. And the last technique is that you can prepare yourself a check of abundance. Well, money is something that everybody needs. In India, we worship money as Lakshmi. We want to welcome Lakshmi in our house, and we do a lot of prayers, especially during Diwali. So money is very important. So what you can do is you can prepare a check to yourself. If you don't have a check, then you just take a piece of paper and take it as a check, and on the top you write from universe to your name. For example, from universe to, I'll take my name, Ruhi. Put the amount that you want to manifest and just sign that check, and put that check again in a very clean place where you meditate or you pray, and then just go about your activities. So do use this period to manifest all that you want. It's a wonderful period. If you like this video, please hit on the like button, share this video with at least 3 people to help guide and inspire others, so that others also can create abundance for themselves. And also subscribe to my YouTube channel to continue to receive further notifications. I wish you a lovely week and lots of love.